Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode we're checking out the AXS, which is the Axie Infinity. It's currently being priced at 23 bucks, guys, 23.6 to be exact, and we'll check the details in a bit. I'll just let you know that I trade since already 4 years plus, and I finally decided to publicize all of my crypto trades to my dear Crypto Intel community so that you can learn from me, because some of you are holding onto crypto, which is not the best thing. You can actually make way more than just holding. As you can see here, I'm flipping on FlipChain, and you can see my flips right here. The link is down below. You can check it out, and also if you want to join my Crypto Intel group, so you just click on the link here, and it's the same thing. Like, you just click follow, and then in there you see already there's I'm so glad. This is just today, I think. No, it was not today. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. In the past few hours, there has been already 7 followers, guys. I appreciate that, and some of you are already flipping, so that's awesome. I can see here that Ahmad, for example, was flipping, and he's doing well. So that's great. That's great. Since the past 3 hours, he already did like what, 7%. That's awesome. Good job, Ahmad. And on my side, I've been flipping, and as you can see, like 18 hours ago, this was with the burger, and disregard the Doge because it's part of the theoretical demo that I did in the FlipChain tutorial. Below the video, you get a link. If you want to learn how FlipChain works, you can check it out. And in there, I do a step-by-step video where I teach you guys how to flip on FlipChain, guys. So this is really easy, and as you can see today, I've been pretty damn active on the IOST. So you can see my buys and my sells. So this is spot trading, guys. I just buy at a low price, sell at a high price, buy at a low price, sell at a high price, and you just do tons of compounds right here, and all of this compound eventually ends up snowballing into what you can see right here. So 6% in just what, like the past I started this 9 hours ago, so I have controllably generated 6% in gains, and I definitely want to show you how I do that in other crypto assets. So for example, with the AXS Infinity, if I would do it, I would just wait for it to drop, because it will drop, guys. Unfortunately, it will, because it pumped like crazy. As you can see, it has been pumping for the past 2 days. So definitely it is already slowing down on its price range. So yes, right now it's like at 24. It's great. The volume is huge. We got a lot of volatility to this crypto asset. So you can also flip it on the upside, which is also a great way to make huge returns, way more than just getting it and waiting for a week. You can get active and do tons more in profit and in gains. So let's dive a little bit deeper, and I will explain to you guys why the AXS Infinity is going to drop, and I will tell you also where it's going to drop. So be sure to stick by until the end. And by the way, guys, if you have any questions, one-on-one questions, you can hit me up on Patreon, and this will also give you access to our VIP Discord, where you can talk with the community. As you can see right here, we also discuss high potential crypto assets, and basically, if you have any questions, just let me know straight in the Crypto Intel Premium VIP through Patreon, guys. The link is also down below. So why is it gonna fall? Well, you can see that it has hit multiple like little towers here, as you can see, and these towers, they actually signal to traders that it's time to sell, and they will absolutely sell. This is what you call a nice little pump in crypto. If you also switch over to the daily view, you can see that it has pumped like crazy, and it's great, right? Because there was great news, a lot of users that has been added to the user base of this game. Also, SLP has went through a similar transformation, which is like the utility token of Axie Infinity. SLP is obviously, as you know, Smooth Love Potion, which can be used in the game. So at this point, this is a classical pump, dump, case. So I'm gonna tell you exactly what's gonna happen with the price ranges. So let me just zoom in, and I'll also explain to you why I think that this will happen. And by the way, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please be sure to ask your grandmother. She knows best. You know that she knows best. So have a look here. What happened here is, by the way, you see this is going to drop like approximately to like minus 36% in the next coming days. Expect this, guys, expect this. You know, a lot of you out there didn't believe me for the T-Fuel, and check it out. T-Fuel. I've made a video regarding the T-Fuel. Maybe you're not holding on to the T-Fuel. It's okay. I'm still going to show that my prediction was correct. And I was screaming this on the top of my lungs that the T-Fuel is going to drop. And yes, of course, it did drop pretty much to where I drew it on the charts. So if you have a look right here, well, you see it's at 27 cents and it pretty much dropped to exactly that amount. I drew it. I drew a line. If you don't believe me, check it out right here on the Crypto Intel for my latest T-Fuel Crypto Intel video. So I've done tons of alarm videos here. And I think this one is the one where I drew exactly that it was gonna drop to the price that it is at right now, guys. And it has stayed there for quite a while. So if you see me going right here, I think somewhere along this line, I start drawing where it's gonna drop. There you go. So that's my line. As you can see, I drew it at pretty much 27, where it's now. So, you know, I definitely know my thing. I understand how crypto works, and this is why I get such flips as here. You can see in the past 24 hours, if you take the non-theoretical ones, this is like the demo one, but if you take the 14 plus 5, I made myself approximately 19% in the past 24 hours. You know, just by flipping, not by waiting. And again, the link is down below if you want to check it out and join my group. You're more than welcome. So as this price is gonna fall down in approximately, you know, I'd say it could take like maybe approximately 6 days, and we'll check out also the different indicators that are telling us that this is what's gonna happen. But basically, right now, this is what I'm expecting. Yes, it might go up just a bit, and you got yourself the nice little 3 towers at the top. It might stay there, and then it's gonna start busting itself and going through a very bearish market. And it will probably end up anywhere from $18 to $14, because it's gonna probably bounce on its previous resistance level that you see like 2 days ago. It has bounced on it. So basically, this is pretty much what's going to happen. And let's look at more factors why it will happen, because there's definitely ways of understanding the physics behind it. So let me just show you something here. You see, you have a nice little pattern forming right here. So you had 3 purchase cycles right here, and then 2 sell cycles, and then 1 purchase cycle, 2 sell cycles, and then 2 purchase cycles. What's going to happen? Probably 2 sell cycles, guys, approximately, because it has already happened right here. This is a cycle. Also, if we check out other very interesting indicators, such as, for example, let me just show you here. Okay, you got the KDGs. You see here, basically, this means that it has been overbought. When you have a golden cross right here for the KDGs, that's an overpurchase of the crypto asset. And normally this means that it will fall. You also have the MACD, which is the moving average convergence divergence indicators. They're telling you right here that one cycle has been closed right here for the growth cycle, and then it has finally reversed itself, and now it's going up towards the neutral line, which is at 0, and it will cross it probably, and it will accelerate towards the bottom. Just like it did right here, you see, from this point, it has accelerated to the bottom. So this is like a peak for this little mountain that you see here. When the peak reverses, you got a deceleration. And this deceleration is inverse if you're in an inverse market. So right here, it was inversed. So finally, it has done its thing, and it will go again and bathe somewhere around here at the 0.88 units for the MACD, and I'm talking about this thing right here, so 0.88. So this is the point where it's going to reverse. So it's going to take like a few days. While it's doing it, it's probably going to do this, and then and then it's probably going to stabilize just a bit, and then it's going to reverse again. Once you have the downtrend on an up cycle on the MACD, then it just reverses its trend. So that's the way the MACDs work, and this is pretty much what will happen with the AXS. Also, you also have these very interesting indicators for the stochastic RSI. You can check it out. It's reversing its trend already. So you can see it started reversing the trend right here, and it's going to probably be very stable and reverse itself eventually in 2 days. You also have the stop and reverse indicators right here. Maybe if you don't see it, turn on your monitor brightness. You get like blue little dots right here. Maybe you see them, maybe you don't. Also, the blue dots are right here. So the it's pretty much in the middle of its downtrend right now. So it's not done yet. And if it does reverse, well, it will probably reverse a little bit further down the line, probably around in 3 days, guys. So this is pretty much what's going to happen with the AXS. So hopefully this answers a lot of your questions for the AXS Infinity. So it is definitely not a good crypto asset to hold on to right now. You better let it go. And it's not advised, guys. This is what I would do because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a crypto enthusiast, guys. So if it's something that you feel that is right for you, well, I would definitely, if I would be on your place, I would just let it go, and I would catch it down low at like approximately 16 bucks, which is the average of what I told you guys. It's gonna fall to anywhere like between 18 bucks and 14 bucks. So pretty much that's what's gonna happen. If you want, also you can punch it into your FlipChain and see the compounds form, because if you do that actually, for example, let's say that let me just give you an example here of how this works, because I really want you guys to make money. Let's have a look here in the dashboard, and I'm gonna create a demo for you. So I'm gonna switch over my workspace to demo, and in here I'm gonna create a demo flip chain for the AXS Infinity, Axie Infinity. So for example, I'm gonna trade with the USDT, and then I'm gonna take the AXS. All right, and it's gonna be the AXS demo. All right, create. So this is not gonna be real. I'm just gonna show you approximately how I would do it. So imagine that I would sell it off right now. Let's say I would sell, okay, at 23. Yeah, it already got the right pricing for me. So this is the first initial position. And as I told you guys, let's say I would sell in 3 days in I would buy in approximately in 3 days at 16.56. So how is it gonna look? I'm gonna add another flip to the chain. So I'm gonna buy it at 15.66. All right, and boom, I made myself a nice little 52%, guys. So 52%. If it drops to 15, approximately here, then I'm gonna wait for it to calm down just a bit, and I'm gonna sell it at approximately, because it's probably gonna bounce to 18.92. So I'm gonna add another one, and I'm gonna sell it at approximately 18.92. It's approximately what I would do. So there you go, boom, I got myself 73%, and this is in a matter of, and this is a demo, by the way, guys, it's just a demo, but I would get myself approximately 73% in gains in approximately 2 weeks time. So this would be really great. Of course, this is huge flips. You can mini flip in between. So this would be really, really useful for you guys, I think, to do this. That way you can see your compounds. So I'm just gonna delete these. Where is it? It's in this workspace. Let me just delete it in a second. Archive. All right. So guys, also you can follow me. I already have 9 followers. I'm so glad. Thank you so much for supporting me on FlipChain. I'm following 14 of you, and I see here that already some of you are flipping. This is great, guys. This is great. All right, so enjoy the green, and hopefully, if you have any questions, by the way, let me know about either AXS or even about FlipChain. I can definitely reply to you guys. and explain to you anything. All right, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. See you all in the next episode. Cheers.